Video is nothing new on the digital stage, but the growing popularity and impact of mediums like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube has made businesses pay more attention to social media video production. However, the one stumbling block for most people at all levels is confidence in front of a camera. Well, the truth is your most important account is not your bank account or your credit card account or your pension account. Before all that is your confidence account. One of the things making a lot of entrepreneurs shy away from using video to showcase their products and services on social media is the lack of confidence, aka fear of facing the camera. So in this video, I'll be talking on the 10 tips that will help you build your confidence. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus tip that for me is a real game changer. Hi guys, Kevin Aladi from Mediatron, where we help you optimize your brand and business with video simply by taking you through the rudiments of productions and all the gears, applications, and training you will need to grow your brand and business with video. All right guys, let's jump into it. So the number one tip on our list is talk to yourself. Build the habit of talking to yourself in the car, on your way to work, in the shower, while at home, maybe even at the supermarket. That is, if you don't mind looking like a madman in the making. Anyway, pick a topic and just talk. The more you get used to hearing yourself speak without interruption, the easier and more natural it will feel when the time comes to get the cameras rolling. Number two is practice. Practice, practice, practice. I know that this is not exactly rocket science, but practice really does make perfect. Set your camera up, get the lighting right, and start recording. You can practice with a script or simply have a conversation with a friend or yourself. The point is just talk. Don't be too hard on yourself. It is not easy being on the spotlight. Look for things to improve upon, such as body language and expressions. These are, easy fixes that go a long way. So number three, find a familiar space. Finding a comfortable and familiar environment to film in can make a world of difference. Pick a space that you spend a lot of time in and practice in that space. You will want to make sure that the space has proper lighting, acoustics, etc. You can check out my video, it should be somewhere up here, on the importance of location. This video will help you in choosing the right location for your video production. Number four, have a plan or a teleprompter. Having a script will help you organize your thoughts, but don't entirely depend on it if you can. Know your topic and the points you want to touch. Having a teleprompter will go a long way in helping you, especially if it is a talking head presentation video. But if it is a dialogue, you can, articulate your thoughts on a paper and refer to it at the end of every topic so that your discussion will be better synchronized. So number five, look good. This is obviously not rocket science. I believe all the ladies in the house will get this by default. Anyway, pick an outfit that makes you feel good about yourself. Groom yourself, do your hair, makeup, and maybe trim those nose hairs. Do I have some here? I don't know. Whatever makes you walk out of the house and feel like $1,000,000, do that. Looking good and feeling good goes a long way in building your confidence. I always get a fresh haircut before every shoot. Sometimes I have 2 haircuts before a shoot. Yeah, you heard me right. Just imagine after preparing to shoot at night. When it was time to shoot, almighty NEPA, takes away the light all through the night and I couldn't shoot. And I obviously can't use generator because of the noise. So that night was wasted. So a day after, I go back to the salon for another haircut and a clean shave so as to be able to shoot the next night. That's if NEPA allows me. As inconveniencing as it may seem, it is very important to look good. This in turn will help build your confidence, not to mention improving the visual aesthetics of your video. So number 6 tip is, it is not about you. It is about what you have to say. Now let me surprise you. Yes, I'm talking to you. You, yes, I'm talking to you. It's not about you. Okay, maybe a little about you. But the truth is, we all get self-conscious about our appearance. but the people tuning in are more concerned about what you have to say. Their primary concern isn't what you look like. Rather, it is information and knowledge you have to share. Focus on the value of the message and the information you're providing, and so will everyone else. Number 7, give yourself permission to fail. Yes, you heard me right. Give yourself permission to fail, but fail forward. This means that for every video you produce is an opportunity to fail and also an opportunity to get better in your next video. The beauty of video formats like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, YouTube, etc. is that nobody expects you to be perfect. In fact, the authenticity and sincere nature of a video helps endear people, endear your audience to you. They want to see you and feel like they can connect and relate to you. So guys, come on, let your true self shine. Number 8, don't compare yourself to others. This is self-explanatory. You can't be comparing yourself to others. You may not be in the same niche, and even if you are, he or she may have been in the game long before you came in. Not to mention the fact that while you just shot your first video, the person you're comparing yourself with, has shot over 900 videos. That's 900 practice videos you don't have. So guys, before we go to number 9 and 10, let me know in the comment box which of these tips resonates with you the most. So number 9, very important, why? What is your why? Why are you shooting this video or videos? Your why goes a long way to push your determination, which in turn will act as an adrenaline that, will boost your confidence. Number 10, competence. Being a master in the topic you're planning on talking about is very important. Your competence builds your confidence. Even if you are not a master in the overview of the niche or topic, but you have taken time to do proper research on the particular area you want to talk about, once you have it locked down, your confidence will grow. Okay guys, I promised you guys a bonus tip. And that bonus tip is use your season in obscurity to prepare you for popularity. If you're a YouTuber or you're doing video for Instagram and you don't really have much subscribers or followers, rather than worry about subscribers and followers, use that season of little or no subscribers and followers to build your confidence. At the end of the day, just have fun. Everybody has something to share, so go spread your message. Alright guys, that's all for today. But please, it's important to me that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. This will help my YouTube channel to grow and encourage me to create more awesome videos like this for you. See you guys in the next video.